So, mag-quiet lang talaga ako, guys. Thank you so much, Sir Balikaya. Mag-quiet lang ko because I think some of my viewers don't like me to be noisy. You're my only reason. You're my only truth. I need you like a love from the sun. I need you. Magkanta ako guys ha. But I'm not really, I don't really have a good voice, guys. Okay? I don't really have a good voice, but I will try to sing. So, this is my own way not to get bored. Late at night with all the world sleeping, I stay up and think of you. And I wish all the stars that somewhere you are thinking of me too. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming about you and me. Wonder if you ever see me, and I wonder if you know I'm there. If you look in my eyes, would you see what's inside? Would you even care? I just wanna hold you close, but so far all I have are dreams of you. And I wish for the day, the courage to say how much I love you. Yes, I do. I'll be dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here